Joining us right now is India Today's Anisha Mathur. Anisha, the fight against pollution is happening at multiple levels. Here is the government, the minister, blaming Aam Aadmi Party for certain things, and also a hearing going on parallelly in the Supreme Court. Tell us what is happening.
Well, Anjali, as you just said, the fight against pollution, the fight over pollution really going on at various levels. One is, of course, in the political arena where the political parties are blaming each other for successive governments' failures to curb the pollution. In the Supreme Court, however, the CAQM and the amicus curiae pointing out that there are measures that have already been put in place, the GRAP measures, whether it is traffic, whether it is BS4 and BS6 vehicles, whether it is fireworks, whether it is stubble burning, whether it is construction. All of the identified sources of pollution have been identified for several years and measures are in place. The question is of implementation, and the Supreme Court once again saying that more awareness, citizen awareness needs to be there. People need to be involved. People cannot simply keep complaining. They also have to ensure that they are also following the rules. One very interesting suggestion coming into the court today, which the Supreme Court has asked the CAQM to consider, the NHAI and the MCD run toll plazas, which there are 9 toll plazas which have been identified on the Delhi borders, which cause long traffic jams. The Supreme Court asking the NHAI and the MCD to consider if they can be shifted to slightly less congested spaces to further away on the highway, or if they can be closed down during this November-December time period to prevent the traffic jam that happens daily multiple times in the day at these toll plazas. This is a suggestion, remember, that has come from one of the petitioners before the Supreme Court. And the court has asked the NHAI and the MCD to consider this issue. Additionally, the court saying that the issue of school closure that has come up. Now remember, while the Delhi government has already passed directions to close schools for class nursery to class 5, parents' bodies have now come to the Supreme Court saying that complete closure of schools unfairly affects government school kids and poorer children who depend on the midday meal that they get in the schools. Additionally, they're also saying that for the kids of poor families who are anyway living near the roads, living in open houses without air purifiers in the house, going to the school actually gives them better odds. That's right. What the parents
Absolutely,
are saying.
Anisha. We'll quickly stay with us. We'll quickly once again go through what Anisha was telling us. Very important to note, the Supreme Court has issued a notice to the National Highways Authority of India, or the NHAI, regarding the traffic congestion which is caused by the toll plazas on the borders of Delhi. And the court has asked the NHAI to consider the possibility of relocating the 9 MCD toll booths in Delhi to locations that can be managed by the NHAI itself. A portion of the toll collected by the NHAI would then be given to the MCD to compensate for the alleged temporary loss of revenue. So this is something that has been suggested by the Supreme Court. Going back to Anisha Mathur. Anisha, why is the court saying that something like this should be done? How much of a jam is caused by these MCD tolls plaza, and will MCD agree to it? Are they demanding some sort of a compensation?
As I was just saying, Anjali, this is a suggestion that has come from some of the petitioners before the Supreme Court, that these toll plazas, particularly Senior Advocate Pinky Anand pointed out the hours-long jams that occur at the Gurgaon toll plaza area at the Delhi-Gurgaon border. As an example, that every single day, twice a day, there is huge traffic congestion because of the MCD toll collection, and for commercial as well as private vehicles. What the suggestion coming from the petitioners is that NHAI does have the technology, the RFID tags that allowed cars to go through the toll plaza without actually stopping. In fact, the Supreme Court questioning Why is it that you are running manned toll booths instead of using technology? Why are you not using the technology that can help mitigate the traffic jams? This is a question that the court has asked the MCD to answer. Why is it that your toll booths involve people actually physically standing at the Delhi border and then collecting toll? Because that takes a lot of time. They're asking why technology is not being used. And one suggestion that has come that the court has asked the MCD and NHAI to consider is whether these toll booths can be shifted or transferred to the NHAI for for the technology-based RFID tag-based toll collection to be done. Now, this is again, I repeat once again, this is a suggestion that has been made. Now we'll see what the response from the NHAI or the MCD will be. But a lot of questions are being asked by the Supreme Court on various mitigation measures. Anjali.
Absolutely, this is not one-step solution to pollution. Thank you very much, Anisha. It requires work at multiple levels.